Hey YouTube, 55 Classics here. We're at the Fullerton, California. It's a Monday night car meet. Let's go check out some cars. Starting off with this beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala. Look at that. I know this guy. Órale, Joe!
What's up, bro?
Hey, ¿qué pasó, brother?
No más, brother.
Good to see you, man. Mira.
Out here hanging out or what?
Yeah, I just came to do a little video.
All right.
Man, you're looking good, man. All right, go for it. So you know the guy? The beautiful 64. We got a Oldsmobile. Pretty sweet. Just trying to get that music. Got 4 6x9s there. Nice truck. Custom Deluxe. It's a nice little cruise here. Just gonna check it out. Some content for you guys. Cool truck here. Brought his own bicycles. If anybody else is into bicycles, but nice classic Schwinn's in the back. And next to this beautiful 1962. You have a nice bumper guard. That cool patina look. This gold 1964 Chevy Impala. Super Sport. Nice little turnout. Black interior. Funky 62. Let me show you those bicycles. Pretty custom, pretty cool. Nice Schwinn. I got an old bicycle. One of these days I'll make a video. Show it to you guys.
All you have to do is take it home.
Beautiful 1970. Skirts. Nice flake top. Wow. Nice looking town car. The bike doing a little quick photo shoot. Look at this beautiful 1965 Chevy Impala. I get the details for you guys on this. Yeah, that's nice. That beautiful engraving. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. A lot of beautiful engraving. It's a nice air filter. A lot of chrome on this car. Beautiful. You can see that cool engraving on there. A lot of money. There's a nice little detail right here. The Impala. It's tight. All about the little details.
How many pizzas? I thought you personal
Look at this mural. Man, that's sweet. It's a good mural. Snap 65. Got the skirts. Cool Chevy Blazer. Got the moonroof and the rack top. Pretty nice. Nice Monte Carlo. The T-tops. You know I like those T-tops. Boulevard Chucos edition. I want to show you guys the T-tops, but I don't want to get too close. Beautiful car. We got the Boulevard Chucos here representing. 1978. 79? I was off by a year.
Got an 80 front end, but it's a 79.
Oh, I haven't seen the front end. That's why.
The 78.
Beautiful.
The 78 will have the separate light right here on the side. It won't wrap like this.
Yeah.
It'll be cut off right there, and it'll have that.
It's got the parking lot. Yeah.
Part on the side. Yeah, that's how you
Okay.
know that's the 78. Yeah.
There you go. We learn something every day.
The 80 will have the wrap, and then that front end.
Yeah.
But this is 79 with the 80 front end.
Nice. I always love these cars. Rest in peace, Ralph Fuentes. Artful Image. That was a badass 78. Huh? A nice car. It looks good in black. Oh yeah, there you go. Got the two lights instead of the single. It's beautiful. Ooh, what do we have here? 67. Oh, a lot of black cars today. Beautiful convertible. Black on black on black. Yeah, this is nice. Super Sport. Hey, how's it going, brother? How are you?
Careful.
Oh man, is it my truck?
I don't know.
It is something I always liked about the 67s. And there's detail here that comes out like a cone. I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? Look at that, that's nice. Oh yeah. Got this Ford here. Nice convertible Ford. Is it an LTD? I don't know. You guys tell me. It's nice. It's got skirts. Woo-wee. $1954. Got that visor. Yeah, nice. Classy. That nice visor. Right next to the 1953 Chevy Bel Air. That nice brown. Brown with the beige top. Ooh, look at this. 1958. Look at that front end. What do you guys think? Talk about classy. Man, look at the paint job on this Cadillac. Hope you guys can catch this. This is beautiful. Ragtop. '83, '84. Not too sure. We got the 520s though. That's for sure. Mr. 520, where you at? Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at this Monte Carlo. The big wheels. Look at these wheels. Oh, those are nice. I always wonder how they do it with the ride. Look how small these tires are. Probably like half an inch tire on there. Probably feel everything on the road. I don't know. Never been in a car with tires that small. Sure looks nice though. Look at that. Boom. That's nice.
That's a pretty nice ride.
It was 1963. The bumper guard. Must have accessory. That's nice. Try to get around. Let's check out this Blazer over here. Oh man, we got like some ghost murals on here. Pretty cool because you can't really tell that they're there until you get close. The ragtop. Intruders, Orange County. Check that out. Got Chucky right here. Got flake on the top. What's this? What's this? Everybody go check out Alanis Beats. Good guy, he's got a lot of great content. I'll show you the paint job on this Cadillac. Man, we got a lot of flake going on here. Look at that. That's a lot of work. You know how much tape it takes to get all this done? All the different blues. That's nice. Look at this. A lot of pattern. It's a long time to get a paint job like that. Oldsmobile, cut the Supreme with the T-tops. You guys know how I feel about these T-tops. Oh yeah, that's nice. This is Buick Skylark. You don't see these every day. What do you guys think of the 59 antennas? Pretty sweet, huh? Look at that, old school. a nice car. Toyota Stout. Beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala. Nice bumper guards. Super Sport. Always like the Super Sport interior. Function, Orange County. Look at this beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala. Sunroof. Look at that. Super Sport. Man, ain't she pretty? Classics Car Club. Got the skirts and everything.
¿Es el milagro that you're out here?
Yeah, come out here.
Beautiful. 66 Impala. Showtime Car Club.